order to try to protect something that's precious, wars are waged. As long as there is love in this world, there will also be hate. And some will take advantage of that hatred. As long as we have this ninja system, this monster known as hate will live. It will give birth to more pains. Pain may have actually killed Jiraiya-sensei. But if you look deeper, then one could even say that this disordered shinobi world created pain and killed Jiraiya. To be a ninja means that you must confront hatred. And every one of us must battle against that hatred. Jiraiya-sensei bequeathed to you the quest for the solution that would end this hatred.
But how can I when I can't find a way to forgive pain? There's just no way. I can't.
I know.
Fourth Hokage, please tell me. What should I do?
You must find that answer for yourself, because even I don't know it.
Oh my god!
Yes, I am a god. The god of speed.
Yeah.